Okay, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so happy and excited right now to be with you guys. Okay, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. If you're just joining, make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you tell us the name and the location where you are joining us from. It's a beautiful morning, and guys, something happened yesterday. We caught a trade live. Let me quickly talk about that before we dive in further. This trade we called live yesterday, and this trade finally it's stop loss. And guess what? There is another beautiful trade that I caught yesterday here. Yes, I exited about around this area on this trade, and this trade make me more than what I've lost. I recover and I make more profit with this trade yesterday. But I didn't call this live because it was later after the live session that I was able to now saw this setup and I took it. Of course, in my Telegram channel, did I post it? No, yeah. I posted later this morning on my Telegram channel. And the purpose why I'm showing you guys this is that knowledge is very, very powerful. Now imagine if you're just trading with me yesterday and all you're just waiting for is this particular trade that I say we are buying, and then this trade finally sold and it hit us out, and you don't even know how you can actually go into the market yourself to actually position yourself rightly to cash another trade. This trade yesterday, I don't know if I can actually. Okay, let me see if I can show my Telegram right now. Give me a minute, guys. Let me see if I can show my Telegram. Let me see if I can show my Telegram. Okay, you guys will see. You guys will see what my Telegram looks like right now. Okay, so you should be seeing my Telegram right now. Okay, so now look at it. This morning, yes, this was the US oil that we caught live yesterday when it was in profit, but finally it was out. And this morning I post this. This was my entry. You can see this was my entry, and then this is it when the trade activated, and I got out when I posted this setup. When I posted this screenshot, that was when I got out of the trade. So that is it. AUD paid off. Even though US oil messed up, AUD paid off. So you guys should do well to make sure you join this simple concept mentorship. Do well to join because knowledge is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. Okay, so now we're back. So that is that about that, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on. So yesterday, in fact, as a matter of fact, this trade right now, I can still call it again. Let me just confirm. Let me get confirmation. Hold on. Okay. Hold on, guys. We can just get ourselves another trade right now. Okay. We can get ourselves another trade right now. Yes, the simple concept is here. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm calling this live again. Oh, Charlie, I will have to go and enter it on my trading view, on my MT5, of course. Stop loss should be somewhere around here. So we'll do a nice 1 to 2, guys. This is AUD continuation buying. I just got it right now. Right now. Give me like some few seconds to quickly enter it on my own MT5 also. Give me a few seconds. It's still simple concept. It's still simple concept. Trust me, it's still simple concept. The trade was called live, guys. Let me screenshot before. Hello, guys. Yeah. So I'm back. Okay. So guys, I'm back, I'm back. So yeah. So remember I said something yesterday. I said hold on guys. Okay. So I said something yesterday about if we lose a trade. I'm coming. Okay, this is not necessarily needed. No need. Okay. So I said something yesterday. If you are seeing my chart, okay, yes, I'm also waiting for, let me do this. I'm waiting for a confirmation on USD to also catch this sell. I'm waiting for confirmation on USD. Remember this trade that I was talking about yesterday? So it has given me a perfect inducement, which is this. It has given me a perfect inducement, which is this. So I'm waiting for a confirmation to join this sell. So right now I'm just on the lower time frame monitoring this. If we get the confirmation before we end the live stream, I'll call it, but that's not the point. The point I want to make right now is that my guy is coming back to profit. The point I'm about to make right now, let me go to 1 hour time frame on US oil. So I said something yesterday. I remember it was this trade I was using to do example yesterday. Any valid setup that market disrespect, market will always come back to reclaim. So we are going to position ourselves to reclaim this loss. Trust me, I said it yesterday that any loss we took, will be patient, we will reposition ourselves to take it. So anytime the market is ready, we'll take it. Now this is it. It happens here. You can see this loss happens, and then the market came back, we reclaim it. Also, this loss happened, market came back, reclaim it. Okay, so aside from that, I don't think we had any loss yet. So okay, market has not come back to this one. Okay, so now we are going to position ourselves to take this trade. So I'll just be setting my alerts here. So anytime the market is close, I should be alerted to be able to know, so that I'll position myself. Once I see confirmation, I'll not just take it, because the market might see go up and retest it and continue going up, but market might just retest it and continue going down. So anyone can happen. That's market for you. So but the fact that it has failed the first time shows that we'll be patient and wait for confirmation for the second time. Okay, so that's that about US oil. So now moving on to USD, I'm waiting for confirmation. I think I've set an alarm here. So this one is in profit right now. Our AUD USD is in profit right now. Okay, moving on. Okay, now let's quickly go through the pairs one after the other. So USD, once you're ready, kindly let me know. Okay, so AUD USD, we want to continue this buy. This is it right now. I've just called it. I couldn't call this because I later discovered this after the live session yesterday, but I've called another entry right now. Okay, so now moving on, ladies and gentlemen, USD, I'm waiting for confirmation to take this trade, and it's looking like it wants to give me the kind of confirmation I want right now. So okay, guess what, guys? This is what I'm going to do on USD. Okay, if this market is going to sell, it needs to come and violate this POI. If this market is going to sell, it needs to come and violate this. So this is what I'll be waiting for. I'll wait for this market to close below, retest it, continue to the downside. So I'll be positioning my entry. I think they do this thing now. Good girl. So I'll be positioning my entry for here. Okay, Even if I want to enter from this up, it is going to be a low risk, and I'll get a proper entry at this level. Okay, that is what I'm saying right now. So I'm going to be waiting very well on USDJPY. On gold, you can see the reason why I exited this trade. Gold is just been acting up, but for me, low-key, I like it because when things like this are happening, manipulation will happen left and right, and then after the manipulation, you can now position yourself for a proper trade. But right now, we know it is an uptrend, so we are waiting for a simple concept to show up, but it has not shown up yet, so we are going to still wait. Now moving on to GBP/JPY. Okay, GBP/JPY has manipulated this low. But it is yet to break structure to the upside, so we are still going to be waiting. CHF/JPY, you can see this trade. I exited this trade, of course. I exited the trade, and I said I'm going to enter again after this low has been taken. But yesterday when I check it, it didn't take the low. When I check here yesterday, it didn't take the low. It was just like a double bottom, so I didn't